this is the Auto Collection makeup. This time is not gonna be 3 winners. We're going to have 5 winners. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This one is gonna be our second giveaway this year. This giveaway is going to be amazing because this is the Auto Collection makeup bag, and this time is not gonna be 3 winners. We're going to have 5 winners. Wow. It might get some surprise winner in there. Before we start that, I wanted to congrats the winner the last time. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys. There's gonna be 2 color on this set. One is the pink one, and the other one is this one. So it's gonna be wow. So which one? I personally like both of them. That has like more pink, a little bit more color inside. You do have 3 brushes on the top and a pencil already. Those pencil are 2 color. It's like on the top and the bottom, so there's 2 different color. This one is kind of like the lip gloss and stuff like that. Like this also, it's like a liquid blush, and this one is the eye primer. Like right over here, that's the eye primer. This is the liquid blush, and this is the brows. So you have that brows in here, and you do have like the brows as well in here. So you do have like dark color already, like a medium. So if you're not like me, then you have more lighter than skin. Right in here in the bottom. So this is like the palette. This is like your highlighter. So you have everything in here that you needed actually to do your beautiful face. This one is actually value of $147. Underneath, I would put extra underneath of this one, like chocolate and some chips or some candy and stuff like that. So when you open this, or like when you remove this, you get some sweet stuff underneath of this makeup. We have a purple one in here, which is, I think for me, are pretty close to color. You do have the brows in here. You have the gel right here that you can do your brows. Lip gloss in here. You have the blush, and you have the eye primer again. And again, you do have a little bit more like a bold color right here. So you have the dark green, and you have the like a purple right over here. And what I really like about this purple one is that you have that brown natural right on the top right here. And then of course you do have a highlighter in here. So this one, for me, my personally opinion, this is my color because it has that more like a brown, a lot of a natural tan for this one. So I really like this purple one. And again, you do have the brushes in here and then the pencil. So but anyway, this is a nice makeup bag. It has a beautiful padding right here, and then you can just carry everywhere. So that's how big it is. The last giveaway, I just put few of the sweet, but this time I'm going to put a lot of sweet in this. So I will post it in my community what I'm going to put inside in here so you guys can see, and it'll be more and more fun to open this. So there you go. So I got like 3 purple of this one. I have more pink color because they were out already. Like I have all of this, guys. So we going to have a good second giveaway, guys. Make sure that to read the description, make sure that you get all that mechanic that we needed, and we're going to do a random pickers. So I want everyone to have a chance to win as well too. So that's why I'm doing a more of giveaway. Not just one person, it's actually more people that win on this giveaway. So I hope that you guys watch the whole video. Don't skip it because there's some really good information that I'm saying in here that you guys might miss it. And then do not message me because I do not answer message because I do other things on my life. So I do work, I have my son, I love gardening, so I might not be able to do response to you guys. Not always on my Facebook or my Instagram. So but there's someone who actually responds to your guys' message. Don't worry because she will respond to you guys and answer your question. But anyway, that's all I have. It's a very short video, and also I will be releasing some of the video before we end of this giveaway, so make sure you watch the previous and then you watch the current video on my channel. So thank you so much again for supporting me from the beginning of my YouTube career and today until today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.